Hi everybody, it's Kathy Markham again, and I'm going to switch gears a little bit and bring you north of town. I want to show you this amazing property. We're standing on 50 acres and a farmhouse. Check this out. Everybody wants this and we've got it. So later on, David is going to fly the property with you so you'll get an aerial view, and I'm going to take you through the house and show you what's inside. So come on. I have a special place in my heart for farmhouses. I just love them, and so it's really easy to talk about them, especially when they look this good. This home was built by Pinecrest Construction, and over to my left, to your right, is a great little country kitchen. And then as you will see behind me, there is a great spacious living area with a beautiful stone fireplace, built-in shelving, great lighting, just a wonderful overall atmosphere. This house really does have a little bit of everything. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a study, and last but not least, a mudroom. Every farmhouse has to have a mudroom. There's plenty of space here. Back porch views are the best. I love a good back porch, but I'm sure you're ready to see the property from the sky, so I'm gonna let David take it from here.
This is a 50-acre tract of land north of Huntsville off of FM 980. Beautiful piece of property with open ground in front and a little bit of woods in the middle and about 15 acres of woods in the back. Plenty of area for hunting. A nice creek traverses the property in the back. You'll notice this property is mainly hardwood with a little bit of pine timber mixed in. Makes it really good for hunting. Of course, the improved pastures for grazing for cattle. From this vantage point, you can see the woods and the open ground up front. The property has good frontage on FM 980, which you can see at the front of the video. There's a really nice creek that is a wet weather creek, but it holds water most of the year. It'd be something easily dammed up to make a nice lake. Property is completely fenced with some cross fencing. The owners have had cattle on the property and will again in the future. You'll notice the large back porch and carport area, which we make for a great entertainment area. House is a Pinecrest Construction home, all hardy plank, which is ease of maintenance, has a new roof, and as you can see, pretty landscaping, ready for someone to move in.